Welcome to Freshwater Generator, Part 8, focusing on marine engineering multiple choice questions. I'm Assistant Professor Manivannan S. Question 1. Jacket cooling water heat can be used in A. Air compressors, B. Freshwater evaporators, C. Fuel injectors, or D. Turbines. The correct answer is B. Freshwater evaporators. Jacket cooling water heat is commonly utilized in freshwater evaporators. Question 2. Why is air ejection required in evaporators? A. To increase temperature, B. To remove dissolved gases, C. To increase salinity, or D. To cool water. The correct answer is B. To remove dissolved gases. Air ejection is essential for removing non-condensable dissolved gases. Question 3. A low-temperature evaporator operates for long periods because A. It uses high pressure, B. Scale formation is minimal, C. It produces more steam, or D. It uses chemicals. The answer is B. Scale formation is minimal. Operating at lower temperatures minimizes the accumulation of scale. Question 4. The most common shipboard freshwater generation method is A. Filtration, B. Evaporative distillation, C. Reverse osmosis, or D. Sedimentation. The answer is B. Evaporative distillation, which remains the primary method for producing fresh water at sea. Question 5. The maximum temperature in the evaporator shell is limited to A. 50 degrees Celsius, B. 65 degrees Celsius, C. 85 degrees Celsius, or D. 100 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature in the evaporator shell is typically limited to C. 85 degrees Celsius to minimize scale formation. Question 6. What is the primary heat source used in a freshwater generator for evaporation of seawater? A. Steam from boiler, B. Exhaust gases, C. Waste heat from jacket cooling water of the diesel engine, or D. Electrical heater. The primary heat source is C. Waste heat from jacket cooling water of the diesel engine, making the process highly energy efficient. Question 7. What is another name for a freshwater generator? A. Compressor, B. Distiller, C. Turbine, or D. Boiler. The alternative name for a freshwater generator is B. Distiller, as it uses distillation to generate fresh water. Question 8. Boiling point of water decreases when A. Pressure increases, B. Pressure decreases, C. Temperature decreases, or D. Volume increases. The boiling point of water decreases when B. Pressure decreases. This principle is key to low-temperature evaporation. Question 9. Total dissolved solids, TDS, in seawater is approximately A. 500 milligrams liter, B. 2,500 milligrams liter, C. 32,000 milligrams liter, or D. 100,000 milligrams liter. The correct approximation for total dissolved solids, TDS, in seawater is C. 32,000 milligrams/liter. Question 10. Scale formation reduces A. Pressure, B. Heat transfer efficiency, C. Water purity, or D. Flow rate. Scale formation primarily reduces B. Heat transfer efficiency, hindering the evaporator's performance. Question 11. One method to prevent scaling is A. Increase pressure, B. Maintain high temperature, C. Keep boiling below 80 degrees Celsius, or D. Stop seawater supply. To prevent scaling, the method is C. Keep boiling below 80 degrees Celsius, minimizing the precipitation of solids. Question 12. FWG water is not suitable for drinking because A. Too salty, B. Too hot, C. Contains bacteria, or D. Too cold. FWG water is not initially suitable for drinking because its C. Contains bacteria, requiring further treatment like chlorination. Question 13. Chlorination is used to A. Remove salt, B. Kill bacteria, C. Increase taste, or D. Cool water. Chlorination is used to B. Kill bacteria, ensuring the generated water is safe for potable use. Question 14. Activated carbon filter helps to A. Increase pressure, B. Remove chlorine and improve taste, C. Boil water, or D. Add minerals. The correct function of the activated carbon filter is B. Remove chlorine and improve taste of the water. Question 15. Which of the following is not a use for the pure water collected from the evaporator? A. Engine cooling circuits, B. Boiler makeup water, C. potable drinking water, or D, lubrication oil. The water collected from the evaporator is not used for D, lubrication oil. It is typically used for cooling, boilers, and drinking after treatment. Question 16. Which process is not typically involved in a freshwater generator? A, evaporation, B, condensation, C, filtration, or D, combustion. The process not typically involved in a freshwater generator is D, combustion. Question 17. What is an adductor primarily used for? A, heating fluids, B, transferring fluids or gases using the Venturi effect, C, separating water from salt, or D, measuring fluid velocity. An adductor is primarily used for B, transferring fluids or gases using the Venturi effect. Question 18. Which principle does an adductor operate on? A, Pascal's law, B, Bernoulli's principle and Venturi effect, C, Archimedes' principle, or D, Boyle's law. An adductor operates on B, Bernoulli's principle and the Venturi effect. Question 19. Which component is not part of an adductor? A, converging nozzle, B, throat, C, diffuser, or D, heat exchanger. The component that is not part of an adductor is D, heat exchanger. Question 20. How does a demister remove liquid droplets from a gas stream? A, by increasing gas velocity, B, by passing the gas through a mesh or a vein structure causing coalescence of droplets, C, by boiling the gas, or D, by freezing the droplet. A demister removes liquid droplets by B, passing the gas through a mesh or vein structure causing coalescence of droplets. Thank you for watching this video on freshwater generator topic. We appreciate your time and hope you found this material informative. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.